Have you noticed how, over the past year, artificial intelligence has entered our lives to help in so many ways? Yet, in the end, why are we still copy-pasting text from one screen to another, or continuously giving instructions step by step without end? That is because what you have right now are tools working in isolation. What you are truly missing is what we call a digital conductor, or, in the tech world of 2026, AI agent orchestration. Imagine that today you are no longer just someone typing in a chat with a bot. Instead, you are the CEO, controlling a team of 5 agents working simultaneously on a single screen without you having to touch a single line of code. This isn't a distant future. It is a major shift in workflows for corporate employees, students, or even parents at home who need to manage an overwhelming workload. The transition from AI as a mere assistant to a digital colleague that works autonomously for you is the most important stake right now. In today's world, the risk of not starting to use this technology is higher than the risk of starting to learn it. Orchestration is the heart of what makes this different from traditional automation. General automation follows fixed deterministic rules, much like a train track that cannot change direction. But agent coordination uses probabilistic logic, meaning it can make decisions based on the context of the task. It acts like a conductor, telling the drums to stop and the violins to begin to create the most beautiful music, or in a professional context, to achieve the most accurate and fastest results. When choosing the framework to build your AI team, the latest data points to 5 standout options. First is LangGraph, which ranks number 1 for open source. It is perfect for teams needing high-precision control and complex workflows. Second is the Microsoft Agent Framework for organizations tied to the Azure ecosystem, focusing on the highest levels of security. Google and AWS also offer systems focused on cloud-level security and strict data management. Finally, Crew AI is excellent for rapid prototyping and collaborative role-based teams. Once we have the team structure, the next things we need are hands and brains for the actual work. The first tool I want to introduce is Claude Cowork. Think of it as the hands that reach inside your computer to work for you. It can access files, organize folders, or even create presentations without you moving your mouse. Once you grant it access to a folder, Claude will begin planning steps and reporting results back to you in real time. Its ability to coordinate sub-agents within itself allows it to complete incredibly complex tasks. Next is the OpenClaw, which stands out for its autonomy and long-term execution. It can run scheduled tasks known as cron jobs, for example, waking up to summarize news and tech trends for you every morning, or even building and running an online business while you sleep. There are incredible case studies of this agent generating actual sales with just a few initial commands because it has a sophisticated memory system and can communicate in multiple languages. For those requiring massive data processing power, Gemini CLI is the most potent answer. With a context window of 1 million tokens, it can read an entire project's codebase or large PDF documents to analyze and fix bugs rapidly through a single command screen. The secret behind this seamless operation is a communication standard called MCP, or Model Context Protocol. Think of it like a USB-C port for AI, connecting models to data sources and tools worldwide without friction. Just as important as capability is security and governance. In a good orchestration system, there must be traceability, a system that logs every step of the AI's decision-making process. This allows us to audit why the AI chose a specific action and ensures strict data access controls to prevent confidential information from leaking. Finally, the most exciting development on the horizon is self-healing systems. When an error occurs in a workflow, a 6th agent on your team will automatically detect and repair the system without waiting for human intervention. This is the new standard for business and life in the next era, turning tedious burdens into true innovation. Starting today doesn't require building a massive system. You can begin by letting AI help organize your files or summarize brief meeting notes, then gradually expand its capabilities. Once you understand how much power being a digital conductor gives you, you will find that your potential is limitless. Have fun building your own team of digital colleagues. Thank you for listening.